Oxygen is the most important element found on the earth. It makes about 65% of the mass of the body inside a human being. And it is also being noticed that it is being consist of the 30% mass of the water and 20% in the atmosphere. So now this oxygen criticizes many such roles which is very important for us to know. So this oxygen cycle is a cycle which is being consist of oxygen in many ways. Oxygen is being created by the plant or plant by the photosynthesis process, and this photosynthesis process is quite easy as by the help of sunlight they just take up the energy for making the oxygen, and by this thing only they just exhale the oxygen for all of us human beings, for all the creatures which need these kind of the elements. So basically the oxygen is required by the human being and animals, and this process by which we inhale is normally be called as the breathing, and this breathing is commonly and scientifically known as the respiration. Now take an example of this ecosystem. In the ecosystem, here we are given with a giraffe, and sunlight is also there, and there is also plants. So what is oxygen cycle is? Oxygen cycle is just very similar and very easy for us to understand, as the plant creates the oxygen particle or oxygen molecules for us, and we inhale them and we exhale the CO2, and that exhaled CO2 will be enter inside the plant, and that's how our oxygen cycles actually work. Now what happens here? Oxygen mainly not only being made or created by the plant organism plants, but it is also being created by the decomposers like bacterias which are present in on our earth. They also decomposes plants and animal when they die up, and after dying up they make the oxygen molecules, and that's how they create the oxygen. So for the increasement of the oxygen, it is quite necessary for us to be understand that this oxygen is very important for us to understand, and this oxygen is mainly very important for us to live on this earth, to survive here. Thank you for watching the video.